there's no time to film another video because it's already 4 o'clock. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi. I wasn't long for that much, only for a couple of days. I actually wasn't long gone or anything. I'm just messing with you guys. But today I filmed this glamorous glitterish because I'm all about that glitter. I love me some glitter. I'm just gonna go quick so you guys don't hear the dogs so much, and I'm gonna speak really loud also so you guys don't hear the dogs. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more videos like this. And if you want more glamorous videos, let me know in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to use today a couple of palettes. First one I'm using is for my transition color. I'm going to go in with this color right here. I feel like I always, when I want to do like makeup tutorials, I always put music and I don't talk. And the reason why I don't talk is because whenever I talk, I make my videos way too long. Debating if doing a cut crease or not. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker shade because I feel like this one's way too light for my crease. I'm gonna go in with a more brownish color. Now I'm gonna go in with a much darker brown. Go in with this color right here using the Morphe M433 brush. I never say which brushes I use. I haven't used this brush in a hot minute and I love this brush. I don't know why I haven't used it. I haven't filmed for like a week and a half, I'd say. Was because I was sick, 1, and 2, I lost the footage of a video that I filmed, which I was not in the mood filming again the same video. It doesn't come out the same, you know, and that's really upsetting. And I think whoever has gone through that, I think you feel me. I'm gonna go intensify the brown on the outer part for the cut crease. And the reason why I'm putting it on top of the brow is because I may or may not try to like eliminate a little bit of the part, like put a little bit more here, I guess. Now I'm gonna go in with a much more dense brush. This is the M506, and I'm gonna use the same color and put it like so, like a line type of thing. And then we're gonna go with concealer. Woo! Look at that cut crease. I'm gonna go in now with fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with that color that I set. I'm gonna take little by little concealer. Then I'm gonna go in with the glitter, and I'll show you guys later the glitter that I use. Alright, now I'm gonna take the glitter, and the glitter that I'm using is from Beauty Creations. It says here. I got it from the store. It's called, do you see that? Yeah, I think I took way too much. Look at that. Oh my god. Do you see that? Do you see how that shines? Oh my god, I'm like speechless. I've never done something. Alright, now I'm gonna do the wing. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Fun fact, I hate fan brushes, but I'm actually gonna give it a try today. Today's highlight is gonna be the glow kit. Look, I'm gonna go in with white sand, which is like a goldy, light gold color. Bye. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe R36. I'm gonna take a little bit of snow. So I'm gonna put a really intense color today of like on my lips. I'm gonna put a red color. I'm gonna go in with the lip palette from Anastasia, and I'm gonna mix in that red color. I'm actually gonna mix in the red, the white, and a little tiny bit of the black one. No, not the color. Remix the color. I'm just gonna go for the red one. I'm gonna go in with the red color from the palette. I'm probably covering the whole thing. Oh my god. as I was gonna talk about this. I got it at Colorina Makeup Studio in Puerto Rico, in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I have to say, this glitter pots, I actually have 2 more which I will try in another video, of course, because I want to keep exploring with glitter and I love glitter. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to check out this this makeup, they have a whole bunch of makeup and I think you should try it. I went over there and they introduced me to all the makeup and everything that they have basically, and I also left with some goodies which I will be doing a first impressions, of course, so stay tuned for that video. And camera looks literally like light silver, but in person it doesn't. I don't know if it's because there's so many, it looks like gray bluish. But subscribe for more videos / vlogs. I'm also doing vlogs, just in case you guys didn't know, and I'm really excited for all things that are yet to come, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.